Are you having trouble sleeping? Do you need a new mattress? The Mattress truck, proudly serving Greater Nashville, Tennessee, is accessible anytime, 7 days a week between the hours of 9 a.m. and 9 p.m. Call or text 615-530-3737 or visit our website, thematresstruck.com, to see the many types of mattresses we carry. The Mattress Truck, same-day delivery, new factory sealed products with warranty, all sizes available, twin, full, queen, and king. The Mattress Truck. Call or text 615-530-3737 or visit thematresstruck.com and get your new mattresses delivered today.